Welcome to Structural Engineering 101. To follow the YouTube channel, please follow the link. Today we will learn about design materials required for structural steel design. So, what are the design materials we should be having before doing any structural steel design, structural steel design with any structures. So, it may be building or staircase or any platform structures, anything. So what are the steel design materials we should be having before starting our structural steel design? So first thing I want to tell you about a specification or standard. So if you are designing for US projects like American projects, then you should be having specification for structural steel building AISC 360. If you are designing for seismic provisions, then you should be having seismic provisions for structural steel buildings AISC 341. So another thing, this one more publication is there from AISC, like pre-qualified connections for special and intermediate steel moment frames for seismic applications. This is AISC 358. So here you will get some of the pre-qualified connections for special and intermediate steel moment frames for seismic applications. Then the fourth one is specification for safety related steel structures for nuclear facilities. If you are designing any nuclear related structures like nuclear facility structures, then you should be having AISC N690. So code of standard practice for steel buildings and bridges. So what are the code of standard practice? What are the standard practice we follow in structural steel buildings and bridges design? So this publication is also you should be having. This is AISC 303. RCSC specification for structural joints using high strength bolts. So if you are designing steel structures, obviously you have to design connection design like bolted connections or welded connection designs. So for bolted connection design, to know everything about bolts, you should be having this document, RCSC specification for structural joints using high strength bolts. AISC and AISI terminology coordination material. So what are the terminologies used in the AISC and AISC? So all those terminologies they have compiled into one document. So this document is also very useful for structural steel design. So these 7 documents are available in this link, in this aisc.org/publications link, and available to download for free. So these are the important design materials which you should be having before starting the structural steel design. So you have to read this standard code also. So this is AISC 360. So in this standard also you should be having a thorough knowledge of this code book. So if you have to design seismic provisions, then you should be knowing the steel buildings AISC 341. So this is this page. So all the 7 documents I mentioned here, these 7 documents you can download in this link. So you can see here pre-qualified connections. So AISC 358/16 is available here, you can download. So nuclear specification AISC N690/18 is available here. So specification for structural steel buildings AISC 360 is available here you can see. So AISC 360/16 PDF and PDF linked is nothing but it will be linked. So if you can just click on that in the contents, like if you click on the tension design, directly it will go to that chapter. If you click on any text, it will go to that page with respect to that page. So this is about that linked. You can download any of the PDF, so better you can download this linked version only. So this is AISC 360. Here you can see seismic provisions AISC 341, you can download here. Pre-qualified connections AISC 358. Specification for safety related steel structure for nuclear facilities AISC N690. RCSC specification for structural joints using high strength bolts, you can download here. You can see here 2014 specification for structural joints using high strength bolts. You can download here. You can download this document in this website also. Research Council on structural connection, like boltcouncil.org. One more website is there. Here also you can download this document. So both are the same documents. You can download anywhere. So this is next document is Code of Standard Practice for Steel Buildings and Bridges. AISC 303 you can download here. So these are the 7 documents you can download in this page. So this is AISC.org publications. This link, you can click this link and you can download all these 7 documents. So coming to the next 8th document, companion to the AISC Steel Construction Manual, Volume 1, Design Examples, version 15.1. So after downloading AISC code book, you should be having this design examples companion to the AISC Steel Construction Manual. So this is about design examples. So here in this link you can download this 15.1 version design example. So in this document they have designed everything. They have shown how to design each member design, tension member, each chapter they have given design examples like tension member design, compression member design, members with combined axial and bending design, connection design, all those things. Each chapter wise they have given so many design examples they have given. So you can download this one also in this link. So this is very useful if you are learning and if you are learning steel structural design for the first time, and if you don't have any reference, so this is the best reference you can have with the design examples. So how to use this AISC 360 code book, you can learn from this document. This is design examples version 15.1. you can download this in this link. So next the document is AISC Ships Database. So before designing you should be having a database. So what are the members available, what are the shapes available, so, and what are the member properties like moment of inertia, section modulus, depth of the section, thickness of the web, thickness of the flange, width of the flange, and radius, corner radius, this moment of inertia, everything you should be having. So you should download AISC Shapes Database. So here AISC Shapes Database, you can, if you click here, you can download this one. This is also available in the AISC website. You can just click this. You can see here this link also, AISC.org/global assets slash AISC. In this link you can download directly the AISC Shapes Database. Here two documents is there. So this AISC Shapes Database, first one is only for 15th edition, like what are available shapes in the 15th edition only. Although those shapes is available in this document. If you want older versions, like older editions, like 13th edition, 14th edition, and even older version shapes, if you want, like if you are working on a restoration project, like old projects, old shapes they were using, what are the old shape properties, if you are calculating the strength of old existing buildings, so then you should be having this document, AISC Shapes Database v15.0 h.xlx. So this one now you can download from this link. So this is about AISC Shapes Database. So next 10th one is Guide to Design Criteria for Bolted and Riveted Joints, 2nd edition. So if you are after designing members, you have to design connection design is very important. So if you are designing bolted connection design, so then you should be having this document. So this is available in www.boltcouncil.org. This is second edition guide. So for all the bolted connection design, bolted and riveted connection design, here it is a design guide is there. So here you can learn theoretically everything about bolt design and all. So in this document, one more document I told you, RCS specification for structural joints using high strength bolts. Here you will learn about bolt properties, bolt material, and everything about bolt, particularly about bolt, each and everything about bolt you will learn here. What is about the pre-tension, slip critical connection, and normal joint connection, everything, snug tight connection, everything you will learn here in this document. You can get all the details here in this RCSC specification. So in this design guide, like a guide to design criteria for bolted and riveted joints, you will learn design more about this bolted connections only, whole connection, what are the checks you have to do, everything you will be learning in this design guide. And next, coming to 11th document, if you are designing staircase, if you are working on staircase design and platform design, particularly staircase design, then you should be having this document. So this is metal stairs manual. This document is also free. This bolt council document is also free, you can download. So this material stairs manual, this is also free, but this is available in another website. So this metal stairs manual is everything required to design, what are the arrangement, how to arrange, what are the width, what is the minimum width should be there, what is the inclination, what are the types of stairs, everything is available in this manual, this metal stairs manual. So this is the website, National Association of Architectural Metal Manufacturers. So this document is also available for free. You can see here, download $0 each. So this document also you can download. So this is metal stairs manual, photographs, details and specification of all types of architectural metal stairs and stair components, ranging from strictly functional service stairs to elaborate ornamental stairs. Includes load tables and dimensional guides. Load tables also available. So for tread pan, what is the maximum load and deflection it can take for the thickness of the tread pan, and grating, some grating details also available. So deflection tables and load tables and deflection tables also available. So you should be having this metal stair manual if you are designing staircase. So then after designing staircase, you have to design railing system. So pipe railing systems also on manual is there. So this is available in this link. You can download this one also. This is also free. You can see here. So this is a metal stair manual. You just go to browse all products. So publications. If you go to publications, so you can see here all other publications which is available to download is listed here from the National Association of Architectural Metal Manufacturers. So other than staircase and railing, if you want, you can search here. Metal bar grating manual is there, metal finishes manual, metal stairs manual I showed you. This is AMP 51092. Pipe railing systems manual AMP 52101, revised 2012. So these two are the main materials you should be having for staircase design: metal stairs manual and pipe railing systems manual. What are the pipe railing materials and cross sections available? So table 2, the fifth column area for 1.5 inch diameter, schedule 5 pipe. So everything is available. So these are the documents, the two documents you should be having for staircase design and railing design. So other than staircase and railing design also, you can see here metal bar grating, metal finishes manual, and code of standard, this code of standard practice for the architectural metal industry, guide specification for basic detention equipment requirements. So many other materials also available. You can see here, you can browse this website and you can download if you want, related to, if it is anything related, you can come across in this page. You can download related to your project or your work. So you can download this one. So this is about this metal stairs manual. So coming to our next document, European standards. If you are working for till now I told about American standards. So if you are working for European standards like EN, EU standards, Euro codes, so then you can download European standards in this link. So Euro code 1 to 8 you can download here. So you can see the for European code, European standards, you can see here, see this phd.eng.br, you can download here. So this sample Euro code, this is sample Euro code I downloaded, Euro code 1, that is EN 1991. You can see here In order to promote public education and public safety, equal justice for all, a better informed citizenry, the rule of law, world trade and world peace, this legal document is hereby made available on a non-commercial basis, as it is the right of all humans to know and speak the laws that govern them. So this is freely available for non-commercial basis. You can download this and you can read this one, so you can have this one. So this is about European standards. So actions on structures means loads. So loads here, actions on structures. So this is about European standards. So you can download all the Eurocodes here. So this is sample Eurocode 1 I downloaded. So our next document is Eurocode design guides. So like AISC design guides, Eurocode design guides also available. You can see here. So if you are designing for different building components, so design of composite beams with large web openings, joints in steel construction, simple joints. So if you want moment resisting joints like moment connections, so here SCI P398 joints in steel construction, moment resisting joints is available. So all the publications are available here. Design guides, steel building design worked examples, steel building design medium rise base frames, steel buildings in design worked examples, hollow sections, so fire resistance design of steel frame building. So all the design guides. So SCI series, P series, SCI Steel Construction Institute P series is available here. You can download all the Eurocode design guides here. So this is about Eurocode design guides. So Eurocode design guides. Our next document is minimum design loads and associated criteria for buildings and other structures. So ASCE, for American standards, you have to have this document ASCE 7, ASCE 716, for loads and load combinations. How to calculate the loads, what are the loads you should be considering on a structure you are designing, and what are the load combinations. So then you should be having this document, but this document is not available for free. You have to purchase this document. You have to purchase this document in the ASCE website. So this is ASCE 716. This is also very important document. You should be having for American standards or American projects design. If you're designing, if you're working on American codes, American standards, then you should be having this code book standard. So for European standards, you can have Eurocode 1. So in Eurocode 1 only they have given what are the loads and load combinations you should consider. They are given in the Eurocode 1. So this is about ASCE 7. Our next document is structural welding codes steel. Structural welding code steel D1.1. So for welding design, you should be having this document D1.1. So D1.1 customer units, D1.1M is metric units. If you want metric units, you should be having D1.1M. If you are working for like customer units like imperial units, then you should be having D1.1 structural welding code steel. So American Welding Society publications, this code is available for purchase. I don't think this welding code is available for free, so you have to purchase this document also. Then International Building Code, so IBC. So if you have any doubts regarding arrangement of the structure, or what are the minimum criteria or basic design criteria, basic load, deflection, anything you have any doubts, or what are the clarifications you need, then you should be having International Building Code IBC 2018. So current version is IBC 2018. So you should be having this International Building Code also. So many things like arrangements of the structure, or number of exits and story height. So what are the standards? If you want any clarifications on any type, so this International Building Code is not about particularly about steel structure, but For steel structures also you'll get so many materials, so many things, like for staircase, what is the width, width, height, riser, width of the tread pan, high riser height, everything you will get. So this document is a general document you should be having for any design. So here in the steel design also it is important to have this document, international building code. So this document is also not available for download for free. You have to purchase this document. So next, our next document is steel construction manual. Here I told you about steel construction manual companion. You can see here, companion to the AAC steel construction manual. So steel construction manual they have released, ASC have released. So to that, how to use that manual, that design example they have given here in this companion. So that is free, available for free, but this steel construction manual you have to purchase. This is not available for free, but you can purchase this print edition or digital subscription, digital edition, PDF edition also you can purchase. So you can just visit this link. If you visit this link, you can purchase the steel construction manual here. You can see here for, and if you have ASC membership, then 50% discount will be there. Like for members $200, for non-members $400. This material is also not available for free. You have to purchase this document. This is called Blue Book, the 15th edition steel construction manual, first released in 2017. So this is also very important document, very important document you should be having for steel structure design, steel construction manual 15th edition. Our next document is detailing for steel construction. So if you are a detailer, you want to learn more about detailing standards and all, so then you should be having this document, detailing for steel construction 3rd edition print. So this you can download in this link. So this is about detailing manual, detailing for steel construction detailing manual. So if you want to design a seismic design for steel structures, then you should be having seismic design manual 3rd edition. This document you should be having. This is also not available for free. You have to purchase this document, seismic design manual 3rd edition, in the following link. You can see here. So this is the document you should be having to design seismic resistant buildings, earthquake resistant building and seismic related topics if you want. So then you should be having this material, seismic design manual. So then after seismic design manual, the 21st document is AISC design guides. So if you are designing for American standards like AISC, so AISC has released design guides. So you can see here some 34 or 35 design guides are available. So for each topic, each topic, they have each design guide, and these design guides are not available for free. This is 50% members discount is there for members, and for non-members you have to pay full amount of $80. So these are the design guides. So 35 design guides are available. You can see here a design guide for base plate and anchor rod design, design guide for design guide 2 is for design guide 1, this is for base plate, design guide 2 design of steel and composite beams with web openings, design guide 3 serviceability design considerations. So if you are based on your projects, which projects you are working, and more which projects you will be working, so based on that you can purchase any of the design guides. So like design guide 4 extended end plate moment connections, design guide 5 design of low and medium rise steel buildings, design guide 6 is load and resistant LRFD of W shapes encased in concrete. So design guide 7 is for industrial building design. So if you are into industrial structural design, then you should be having design guide 7. So design guide 8 is for partially restrained composite connections. So you can see here some 35 design guides are available. So all the 35 design guides you can go through and you can purchase whichever is required for you. So this is about design guides, AIC design guides. Our next document is Our next document is this AIC technical resources. So here it's not document, but here you have some technical resources you can download also. Like you can see, see shapes database is available here also, and manual companion design examples, you can download here. Manual companion design examples and tables, current standards, structural steel dimensioning tool. So technical resource, like if you are working, if you want to learn anything about curved steel, fire resistant structure, hollow structural steel sections, manual resources, research, seismic, stainless steel tools, anything. So this is also so many technical resources are available. Based on your requirement, you can visit this page and you can search documents regarding to this particular topics. So this is about technical resources. And next, AIC Steel Solution Center. So this Steel Solution Center, here it is not material. Here also one book is available. Like you can see here, technical solutions, they have released some steel construction technical solutions book also they have released. This is manual only. This is not that document, but one more document is available. You can search somewhere, like so technical solutions, like so this is Steel Solution Center. If you have any uh, queries or doubts regarding code book or manual, or while designing, if you have any doubts, so you can post your questions here, and it will be answered within 24 or 48 hours by technical team of AIC technical team will be answering your see, you can see here, you can mail to this email ID, and or you can contact them AIC via this form. You have to fill out this form, your mail ID, your details, and your question. They will be answering your query related to structural steel only. So frequent, so if you have like first you have to search what are the, what if your doubt is already answered, like frequently asked questions, like you are having some doubts regarding anchor rods, base plates, you can see here. So anchor rods, base plate and all, some documents are available. First you have to read these documents. If still your doubt is not resolved, then only you can ask questions here in this solution center. So you can read all these frequently asked questions. So many materials are available. You can, each document you can read or download. So you'll be having a very good knowledge about, you will get a very good knowledge about this. So this is about Steel Solution Center. And our next link is AIC Education. So still, if you want to learn more about theoretical background, or if you are a student, or if you want to earn PDHs, or if you want to learn more about any particular topic, then you can visit this page, like ASC Education, Continuing Education. So here we have education archives also available. You can see education archives, so many materials are available in this. And continuing university programs also available. Can see here webinars, previous webinars, conferences, seminars, so many design materials also available in this. In this archive you can search based on your topics. So this is about AIC Education page. And next is bridge resources. If you are into bridge design and bridge resources, if you want any bridge resources, then you can visit this page, aic.org, bridge design page. So here you will get bridge resources. And one more related to bridge is one more link is available, like AIC Steel Bridge Education. So these two links are useful if you are working for bridge projects. So bridge related subjects you are working, so then you can visit this these two links, 25 and 26, you can see here. So this is National Steel Bridge Alliance. So resources, collaboration, documents, design resources and software. Steel bridge design handbook is available here. Technical resources and research, certification, find your fabricator. Steel Solution Center, again Steel Solution Center is there for bridge design also. World Steel Bridge Symposium, past conference proceedings also available, you can see here. So this is for bridge design. So So the same thing like bridge education is also available. So for steel bridge education, world steel forums, modern steel construction articles, modern steel construction magazine articles also available. Steel bridge design handbook, steel centurion series is there. You can see here modern steel magazine. Here also so many articles will be there in the past magazines. So many articles will be there, so you can read current. This is the current issue. So if you want archives, so many articles they have published related to particular topic from 1961. uh, yes, 1961. So you can read all these magazines and particular articles. So many articles will be there, so you can go through this one also. So this is about steel bridge and all. So modern steel construction magazine, just now I showed you modern steel construction magazine. This one you can read. ASC publications. So publications, other than publications like what I explained, which is freely available, other than those, in this sections like you can see here, steel construction manual, seismic design manual, all manual product design guides, detailing resources, engineering journals also available, ASTM standards for steel structures available, facts for steel buildings. Here also this fact for steel buildings, here also some documents are available. You can go through this materials like fire, blast and progressive collapse, earthquake and seismic design, sound isolation and noise control, vibration. So if you are working on any of this particular topic related to your projects, then you can download this material and you can go through this material and you can read this material to learn more about this particular things. And historic standards, if you are working on any restoration projects and old standards, if you want any old standards particularly, then you can go through this one, historic standards, historic steel construction manual. Old steel construction manuals are available here. Historic shape references, so some of the old buildings will be using old shapes which are now may not be available in the current standards, and but still if you want any material properties about historic shapes, then you can visit this page. Out of print publications like uh, which is not available now, like so many standards are superseded by current and most recent versions of editions. So still if you want to download old versions, like you can see here, design guide 15 for iron and steel beams 1873 to 1952. So because this AISC organization is founded in 1921, so all old out of print publications also available here. You can go through here and you can see here for replaced document, which is the current standard, also available here. Replacement, so which document is replaced, this out of print publication also they have given one list. You can go through this link also for out of print publications. So this is about publications. So then one more thing is steeltools.org. I have told about this website in my other videos also. You can go to this website and you can download spreadsheets, Matchcad templates related to different categories like bolted connection, welded connection, footings, base plates, beam analysis and design, column analysis and design, load calculation spreadsheets. Like you can see here, this is bolted connections. So many other fellow structure engineers, they have developed particular spreadsheets and Matchcad templates. Like here you can see shear end plate, shear clip connection, like double angle connection, end plate connection, AAC 13th edition LRFD bolted moment connections. So all the Excel sheets were developed by others. This is not standard AAC. They, before using this Excel sheets, you have to read terms and conditions. So that you have to verify yourself for these Excel sheets, then only you can use. But it is available to download for free. So you can go through this website. So in different categories also there: bolted, welded, base plates analysis, beam analysis, column analysis, bracing, frame, industrial structures, floor diaphragms, and miscellaneous geotechnical and foundation, everything is available. So this is also very good. If you are designing steel, you should visit this page also. So then the last one is Steel Construction Institute. So like American Institute of Steel Construction for American standards. If you're working for this European standards, then you should visit Steel Construction Institute website. So here also you will be getting so many materials they have published. You can see here, other than steel also so many other materials also available. All the publications you can see in this bookshop. You can membership also is there available. You can take membership also. And everything related to European code, European standards, you can get all the information here. Information, training and events, steel biz, bookshop services, everything is available here. So this is about Steel Construction Institute website. So these are the important design materials and website link, which is very important for connection design. I have listed here. You can go through this PDF also. You can go through all the materials which is available for free. You can download, which is not available for free you can purchase. Or if your company, your institution or organization is having a membership, then you can ask them for purchase, so that member discounts will be there. So these are the 30 important design materials and website links for steel construction design. So I will give the link to download this PDF also in the description box. You can download this PDF also. You can share this PDF with your friends and colleagues also, so that they also learn more about steel construction design materials and the technical documents materials available freely, which they can read for their knowledge, and they can learn more about steel construction. So before starting any steel construction design, I strongly recommend you to go through these materials and these websites. So this is all about steel design uh, materials page uh, topic. So in the coming up videos we will learn uh, more about structural steel design. So before starting steel design, I just wanted to make sure that all the materials which is required for steel design, all the information regarding material for design, you will be having all the information. So that's why I made this video, so that now you can download the material and you can read. So in the upcoming videos I will be starting steel structure design topic wise. So you can visit my YouTube channel for more updates. So this is about structural steel design materials. Thank you.